This is a tutorial on using Google Documents and how to share Google Documents. I'm going to start from the beginning, so I'm going to assume now you see Google Drive open, but I'm going to assume it's not open, so let me go back to a new tab here. To access Google Drive, I'm going to go down here, select Create Document. When you create a document, the default is that it's unnamed. You could click right up here and change the name. And then, of course, you would start to create your document. I'm not going to take the time to do that now. I want to show you how to share it. And once it's shared, of course, if you continue working on it, all those updates will be visible to whomever you're sharing it with. So I'm going to this share button. And right now it's created a URL for that document. It's a very long, ugly one, but I'll show you how to cope with that later. And I am about to change the access level. Google Doc automatically defaults to private. I am going to change it that anybody with the link will be able to not simply view it, but will be able to edit it. When you select Edit, you're also allowing somebody to insert comments in the margin. If you only selected comment, the person you're sharing it with can only write comments. They cannot edit that document. So the highest level of a collaboration would be to can edit. I'm going to save that. And now I can invite people to share it via Gmail if I have their Gmail account, or I could simply grab this URL, which is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go to a place where I would like to insert a hyperlink to it. So I've started to create this document here in my Google site for the course, and I'm just going to type in some text. Go up here to the link button, and when I do that, I'm going to paste in the URL that's in the computer's memory. This would work the same way if you had been doing a blog post. In your blog post, you'd find that text you want to make a hyperlink, highlight it, use the link button, and then paste in the URL. So that's the basics of doing that. And let me go back to the Google document there that I was creating. And I wanted to show you a few other things. As you notice, I have a comment here. You might be wondering how are those comments inserted. Okay, so grab the text that you want to write a comment about, and you could use the insert menu, or there's also a fast link here. If you hover, you'll see it's insert comment, but I'll do it this way for now. Insert comment, and okay, and basically that's the gist of it. Since I've shared this document and since anybody could edit it, when somebody were to click on this link and access that particular document, they would be able to continue editing on it. So that's the basics. I also want to show you one more thing about Google Drive, and I want to show you how to create folders, because your Google Drive can get quite cluttered. You could see I have a lot of documents here. This is the one I just created, by the way. I'm just going to show you because I do have a lot of folders already created. If I click here and I go on this icon, move to, I'm going to move it to a folder I've already created. Okay, but if I need to start to create some new folders, I go to Create Folder. Okay, and I've created a folder called Demos. That folder will eventually move over into this column. And for now, let me go back to my drive. and take this test one, and I'm going to move it over to the demo folder. Another thing I like to do is I like to color code my folders. This isn't necessary, but you can see they all default to gray. So the way in which you color code them, okay, to color organize that, you can go to change color and pick a particular color for that folder. You can see right now it's defaulting to gray. I'll select that color, and now it has been changed. So that's a few basics about using Google Drive. I also wanted to mention, of course, as you can see, create documents. These would be a presentation, a slideshow, and something that looks like a spreadsheet, like Excel in Word. When you're using Microsoft Office, it has Word, Excel, and so on. Form is used to create surveys, and that would be a lesson for another day. Today, I mostly wanted to show you how to create a document and how to share it and how to create folders. So I hope this short presentation was helpful to you.